Welcome to my channel, ICT Question.
You are just a few clicks away from sharing your printer with your entire network. Here is how. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to share a printer that is connected to your Windows 11 PC so other computers on the same network can use it too. Whether it is for home, office or school, this method is simple and works perfectly. Okay, let's get started. First, click on Start here, then Settings, Bluetooth and Device, Printers and Scanners. Click on printer's name, HP LaserJet 400 M401 PCL6. Double click. Then look printer status. It must be default always. So click set as default. Yeah, now printer status is set as default. Okay, close the window. Click on start menu, settings, then Bluetooth and printers and scanners. Then click on printer. Then click print properties here. Click on sharing. Change sharing option. So now make sure that share this printer is on or ticket. Then click on security. Make sure that print is allow here. Okay, close the window. Again, close the window. Make sure that all computers are connected to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Go to network profile type. Click on start menu, then settings. Click on network and Ethernet. Then click on properties. You have to select private network. Okay, go back to network and Internet. Then click on advanced network settings. Advanced sharing settings. Then here under private networks, network device network discovery must be on. File and printer sharing again on. Click on public networks on this one. File and printer sharing on here. Then go to all networks. Password protect sharing must be on always in Windows 11. Okay, now close the window. Go to group policy. Click on edit group policy. Here administrative assistant, enlarge this one, then print. Here configure RPC connection settings, double click, enable, and here select RPC over enabled pipes, apply. Okay, then click configure RPC listener settings, double click here, enable, and here RPC over name pipes and TCP, apply. Okay, the last one, configure RPC over TCP ports, then enable here, apply. Okay, close the window. Now go to control panel, click type control here, control panel. Here view by small letter, small icons, programs and features. Turn Windows feature on or off. Then click on print and document services. Enlarge this one. Then tick this and select this one. Okay. Close here. Close the window. Go to registry editor. Yes. Click on current HK current user. then software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, Windows. Under current version, click on Windows, right click, permission. Then here, click on login user. Click on login username. How to know it? Just click on start button. Then here, it is what? Disk. So click on disk, from disk here. Then make sure that full control must be on always. Okay. Okay. HK local machine. Then software, policies, Microsoft. Then here Windows NT, printers, RPC. Here right, go to right side and right click here, new DWORD 32-bit value. Then type here RPC over TCP. Double click. Value data must be 0 here. Okay. Again right click, new DWORD 32-bit value. Then type RPC over named pipes. Rename the value data to 1. Okay. Close the window. Now click on HK local machine. Then system, current control set. Okay, control. Now find print. Here, right, go to the right side and right click, new DWORD 32-bit value. Then type RPC outer level privacy enabled. Okay, double click here. Value data must be 0 here. Okay, close the window. Now under the search bar, click here. Then find print spooler. Yeah, print spooler. Right click, property, stop here. Yes. Then again start. Okay. Right click, restart. Close the window. Now go to client computer. Then click on setting. Network and internet. Properties. It must be private network. Click on private network. Now go to network and internet. Advanced network sharing. Advanced sharing settings. Okay, file and printer sharing must be on. Public on here, on. Then all networks Close the window here. Under search bar, type local group policy. Local group policy. Administrative template. Printer. Configure RPC connection setting. Double click here. Enabled. RPC over named pipes. Apply. Okay. Then point and printer restriction. Disable this one. Apply. Okay. Close the window here. Now press Windows plus E. Network. Click on Node here. Okay. Enter username. Username so what? Host computer. Enter password. Okay. Right click. Connect. Congratulations, the printer is shared successfully.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. ICT question.